you know. No, the federal just laughs at you and throws your shit out. Then you just whip out your 42 USC and jam the judge ass up. That's what you got to do. Anytime they stomp in your face, you need to respond and sue their asses. That's how they. If you don't make them pay for stomping on your face, then your face is gonna get a bunch of stomps. So those are the first two that you want to think about filing. Now, probably the third one, and this is the power. This is the power for the broke people. Your demand for 3.5 in sanctions or mortgage fraud pursuant to Rule 11. Now, what we've done with this is generally we're going in for demanding sanctions because they didn't follow Rule 11 and do a pre-file investigation. But we beefed this up with the facts out of the mortgage fraud lawsuit package that we haven't got to yet. And this is kind of like a mini lawsuit. It's not a counterclaim because, well, they don't really get the answer to it. It's not a motion, so they don't get the answer to it. It's a demand, and, well, they can't answer to it anyway. So there you go with that. They cannot answer to it anyway, and so that's that. Now, this is what we include in the premium package and demand for sanction. I think it's also included in the other packages. This is your opportunity to actually sue them in their stuff before you move your stuff over to federal court. We found out that we have to crush their ass in state court before you move over there because they'll be on the phone asking them to stall. They'll be throwing your shit in a basket under the counter. Yeah. So after that, then I probably would go with this. Now, this used to say non-judicial wrongful foreclosure. And people call them, oh, I have judicial, I have non-judicial. It stinking don't matter. Okay, it does not matter if it's judicial or non-judicial because you're not going after them for what they said they did, what they said you didn't do, the lies that they said. You're going after them for the 6 missing things, and you're going after them for the fact that they violate your due process with the unfair process and procedures or whatever. Starting out with